What are you doing? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to J&D Garage. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be installing the Underglow kit. Alright, so I got this kit off Amazon a couple weeks back. I'd been eyeing for a while. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I think it just adds another level of character to your vehicle. And it's actually a strip kit, so it's going to go along the side skirts. It's not going under the wheel wells like some kits do. So we're going to go ahead, get it out of the box, lay everything out, see how it goes, and then we'll start putting it on the car. We got everything laid out here. What's included in the kit is a ground and power wires. We got some zip ties, a remote control that controls different colors and strobe light speeds and the brightness and such. We got the actual controller that receives a signal from the remote so it knows what to do. And then the actual LED strips themselves, there's two long ones that go, one goes on each side of the car. And then two short ones, one goes in the front and one goes in the back of the car. So we'll kind of mock everything up at the bottom of the car and see how the kit fits, and then test out the power, and then zip tie everything once we get it in there the way we like it. Alright, so a little tip for you guys. Before you go under the car and hook everything up and find out that your lights don't work, you can actually find out if they do work before hooking everything up underneath. You just go to your battery and you got your ground wire, power wire. You just go ahead and put on the battery itself, and you can check the lights and see if they come on, which in the case these do. You can't really see them because it's daytime, but they do flash on and off. And the controller for them does work, so we verified that. So now we're gonna go ahead and stick them up on their car and get them fitted. Okay, so what are we doing now? So since we decided we're going to put the controller up here inside the fender near the battery, we're just going to clean the inside of the fender out because it's probably never been cleaned in 500 years. And we're going to put double-sided tape on the back of here, so we want it to stick as best as possible so it don't fall out going down the road. Got all that dirt and grime. And all this is just soapy water. Probably use rubbing alcohol or anything. Really clean it. So I cut a couple pieces of double-sided tape. We're just gonna put on the controller. You know why it's called double-sided tape? I don't know, there's usually tape on one side. It's sticky on both ends. Okay, so now it's over here. Just gonna peel this off, and then we'll get it stuck on there. Right on it. Like this way, right? Yeah. Okay. Cool, and that should not be coming off for a long time. Perfecto. So now we're just gonna run the wires down, and we're running these. Put the lights. We're gonna run these straight down here. Yeah, they're gonna go down, and then we're gonna mock up the lights up underneath the car. Okay, so now we have the connector from the light. We're gonna go ahead and connect it into the controller that we just mounted up top. So down here we have the wires that we push through. We just go ahead and connect it in. What's wrong with it? Okay, there we go. So now we have both of the lights connected in, so we can go ahead and start cleaning the sides and mounting them.
Okay, so there's a little change of plans. We're not actually able to mount it under there with where the spare tire goes. It's just not a long enough flat surface, so we're gonna have to mount it right here under the bumper lip. So
does that make this like an LED diffuser?
Something like that. Yeah, so I'm hoping you can't see it too much when the car's back on the ground, but it's the only place we can mount it, so it's gonna have to go there.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah, so it'll be about there.
You really won't see it too much. This little wire.
Alright, so we're taking the cover off the tape now, and we're mounting it up for good.
Oh gosh. Stay up there.
Right, and it's on. You really can't even see it. It blends in really well. So now the back's on, we're gonna go to the sides now.
Alright. It's the connectors of... Which way does it go? Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. The other way. There we go. And that's connected. You just take your slack out and zip tie it to the bottom of here somewhere. Already got the backside ran a little bit. It's raining. Oh, that's great. Up under the frame. Zip tie it there. Just have to snip the zip tie and then hook the rest of these up and do the same thing pretty much. Up underneath the car.
Alright guys, we're back. It's been, what, 3 or 4 days, something like that? Basically what happened is we went to go back the car off the ramps because it was raining so bad, so we couldn't do anything outside. And one of the wires wasn't secured, so I ended up running over the wire. So I had to go through, had to talk to the seller. They ended up giving me another kit half off. So went ahead, pulled that extra light out, got it all installed. We've gone through, we've put our connectors on, we've grounded it off, and we went ahead and connected to the positive. So now all that we have left to do is turn it on and test to see if everything works okay. Okay, so here I have the app pulled up on my phone. Go ahead and turn the lights on. See, there we have a purple. There's a remote too, but there's an app I can get on my phone so I can control it from there too. I have red, blue, green, purple, and like a yellow. There's different modes. If I go to mode, it's different strobing modes you can go to. Like that one's red, green, blue. There's that one, 7 different colors. But there's just a ton. I think there's over like 200 or so. So there's a lot of different combinations. But yeah, the lights look really good at night. They're really vibrant. So yeah, it's doing pretty good so far. But that's gonna do it for the video. If you guys liked it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video. What are you doing? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we're going to be installing Underglow.
I don't know. What are we doing? Volkswagen stuff. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Underglow.
Yeah. Are you filming?
No, it's a picture.
Okay.
A motion picture.
Emotion?
Yes.
I'm not good at showing emotion. Alright, so I picked up this kit on Amazon a couple weeks back. I've been eyeing them for a while. I really wanted to do it. I think it just adds another level of just
Ricer.
personality to your car. So,
Don't park into this one. Park to that one. You forget your arm is like 10 feet long. And I just get your socket.
Okay.
I think this is a better angle, to be honest.
You sure?
Kind of, well, no, you need to be in front of the car. That's what that's what we need to do.
Right here?
Yeah. You like really close on my face. Okay.
I ain't got a hat on.
I can't
Turn it
reach.
off. Turn it off.
My arms are too short for the
Turn it off.
wire.
Turn it off. Don't hold camera away.
Alright. It's connected. This way. It's so blurry. It's so bad. It's not in focus at all. It's just focusing on your face.
Okay, guys, so we're back. It's been, what, 4 days? I think. Doing.
Lizard.